nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna give you guys a nice lovely recipe. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start it off right now by a simple spinach. All right, I got some spinach, roughly a nice good handful of spinach right here. Nice lovely handful of spinach, guys. Honestly, it's just gonna be fantastic and amazing. All right, now once I put the spinach in, sorry about that, I should put the spinach in something for all right, I'm gonna put in some coconut milk in it. We're for about 1/4 cups of coconut milk in it. You need the coconut milk and a fingers of ripe banana. I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey in it. And I got some protein powder, which is gonna be supposed to be vanilla flavor. I'm gonna put roughly about 2 teaspoons in it. Got 1, 2. I just have a little bit left in it. I'm just gonna simple pour the rest in it like this. Lovely. Secondly, I have some chia seed, which is going to be using. Really good for. I'm gonna put up about a teaspoon in it. I got some avocado. Right, avocado. Nice one. Now I'm gonna put some ice. One cup of ice inside it, so the ice definitely gonna give it a lovely blending. All right, guys. Now what we're going to do, we're going to blend it for roughly about 2 to 3 seconds, and hopefully you guys will definitely see exactly what I'm going to be doing. All right. Now it's going to be time for us to blend it. All right. You can see for yourself. Nice one. Yeah. So as you can see, everything is looking good. Look at that. That's amazing right there. All right. Now we're going to simple blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't take long. As you can see for yourself, it won't take long. It look really thick. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit more coconut milk in it, not much, and a little bit more protein powder. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna taste it to see how it tastes. All right. That is lovely. The only thing I would do is just put another teaspoon of honey, organic honey in it, and we are good to go. All right. That is lovely. Now I'm gonna see if I can share it up. Alright, so hopefully you guys will like this one. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Ingredients will be on my Instagram page or on my website chefricardo.co.uk. Stay tuned with more recipe. Nice one. So basically that's it, guys. I just simple blend all the ingredients and yeah, good to go. All ingredients will be in the description box. And this is how it look right here. Beautiful one. Yeah, that is lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys, and the team. This is just lovely and amazing. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and not only that, we have a lot more recipe coming for you. All right. Definitely, I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Look at that. Lovely, nice, and amazing. If you like the recipe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And subscribe is very important. Hopefully you like it. And as I say, more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team in the kitchen. See you next time with more recipe. Bye-bye. Look at that amazing recipe.